Merry Christmas and happy holidays, fam. Welcome to a beautiful new day. Today, we're hitting reset on those hamstrings and shoulders with a refreshing full body stretch routine. Feeling stiff from sitting, standing, or just waking up? Maybe your hamstrings are tight or your shoulders feel heavy with tension. This flow is designed to loosen up those areas and get you feeling lighter and more mobile. No equipment is needed, just a mat or soft surface and your dedication to moving with ease. This can be done anywhere, your living room, bedroom, or even outside if you want to start your day with a breath of fresh air. In just 5 minutes, we'll move through a dynamic flow of stretches, targeting your hamstrings, shoulders, and entire body. By the end, I promise you'll feel longer, lighter, and ready to take on the day with a fresh perspective. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin by stretching the back of your body and waking up those hamstrings with the dynamic forward fold flow. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, and exhale as you hinge at your hips, folding forward to reach for your toes or shins. Slowly bend one knee, then the other, moving into a gentle side lunge, feeling the stretch travel up the backs of your legs. The stretch improves flexibility in your hamstrings, calves, and lower back, while the side lunges help open your hips. I promise that by the end of this, your legs will feel lighter and your body will feel more relaxed. If your hamstrings feel tight, keep a slight bend in your knees. You can also place your hands on your thighs for support. Now, let's relieve tension in the upper back and shoulders with thread the needle. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Take your right arm and thread it under your left arm, lowering your right shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips square and breathe deeply. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. The stretch targets the upper back, shoulders, and neck, releasing tension and improving mobility. I promise by the end, your shoulders will feel looser and your back will feel more open. If this feels too deep, place a cushion under your shoulder or head for added support. Unwind gently and let's move into a deep squat for the next stretch. Let's open up the hips and wake up the spine with a dynamic squat rotation. Come into a deep squat, feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Place your right hand on the floor and rotate your left arm toward the sky, twisting through your torso. Return to center and switch sides, reaching your right arm up. Alternate for 1 minute, moving fluidly. The stretch builds up flexibility, improves spinal rotation, and energizes your body. I promise by the end, your hips and back will feel more open and aligned. If a deep squat feels challenging, sit on a low block or keep your hips higher as you rotate. Stand tall and step forward into a low lunge for a flowing stretch. Time to flow into a low lunge, a powerful pose to lengthen your legs and open your chest. Step your right foot forward, keeping your left leg extended behind you. Bend your front knee, and as you inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting your chest. Exhale as you bring your hands down to your sides. Flow through this movement for 30 seconds, then switch to the left side. This stretch improves flexibility, strengthens your legs, and creates space in your chest and shoulders. I promise you'll feel more balanced and energized after this movement. If your balance feels shaky, keep your hands on your hips instead of reaching overhead. Lower your arms and bring your hands behind you for our final chest opening stretch. Let's finish with the chest opener to release tension and lift your posture. Stand or kneel tall. Interlace your fingers behind your back, pressing your hands down toward the floor as you lift your chest toward the sky. Take deep breaths, feeling your shoulders draw back and your chest expand. This stretch counteracts the effects of sitting and hunching, improving posture and relieving tightness in the shoulders. I promise you'll feel open and confident by the end. If clasping your hands feels difficult, use a towel or strap to hold behind your back. Release your hands slowly and take a deep breath to close out your session. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched your hamstrings, opened your chest, and unlocked your shoulders. That's how you start the day strong. Remember, just by showing up, you've already won the day. These small moments add up to big transformations. Before you leave, next time you see that notification bell go off, just press play and invite your friends to join the journey. It's always better together. And don't forget to grab your free fitness gift in the description to help you level up. Stay strong, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!